This video will outline how to create a time card in Gate 3. The creation of an employee profile must be saved and approved. Cost accounts and budget lines have to be previously uploaded and linked. Ensure you're logged into a project. Click on the Start menu. Navigate to the Time Cards module. Draft hourly time cards is your default view. There are two ways of creating hourly time cards. The first way is to auto-generate time cards based on project configuration settings. Auto-generated time cards creates a draft time card on a weekly basis. The second way is to manually create a time card from the employee profile view. As a reminder, draft time cards should only be present in the project for the specific week that employee is actively working. Delete any additional time cards from the project if the employee did not work that week or if they've been transferred to salary. If an employee is being moved to another project, a last time card must be created. The first part of this video will demonstrate system auto-generated time cards. Navigate to the Hourly Time Cards draft view. This view displays all the draft auto-generated time cards. Begin by using the filter text boxes to search and locate the employee you wish to create the time card for. Once you have located the employee, click the Open hyperlink under the Actions column. Under the Details subsection, verify the pay period start date is correct. This date is based on the payroll frequency identified in the employee profile. The first time card created for an employee will default to the current pay period start date. As a reminder, ensure that the start date of the pay period for the time card you're inputting corresponds to the correct week. On vacation defaults to no. If yes is selected, the application stops generating time cards. Last time card also defaults to no. If yes is selected, once a time card has a status of active, the system updates the employee profile status to terminated. Navigate to the Payroll Salary subsection. The Payroll Salary section displays the employee payroll rate. This will adjust the rate for this specific time card only and will not affect future time cards. As a reminder, this section is reserved for special circumstances. Navigate to the Earnings subsection. If configured to copy data from previous time cards in the project settings, a system-generated time card will automatically populate information from the previous time card. These are editable fields. Line items can be added, removed, and adjusted as necessary. As a reminder, the Hourly Earnings section deals with direct labor in hours. Click on the checkbox next to the hourly earning line and select the type of time from the predefined drop-down list. Click into the Cost Account field and enter the Labor Cost Account to select the applicable cost account from the drop-down list. Alternatively, click the Assign Cost Account button and select a cost account from the screen. Please note that these are project-specific cost accounts. If you can't find a specific cost account, then a new cost account may have to be added to the project. Once the cost account has been selected, click Assign Cost Account. Click the Assign Budget Line button and select the budget line from the screen. If no budget line is displayed, the cost account will have to be linked to the budget line. Once the budget line has been selected, click Assign Budget Line. Enter the number of hours the employee worked per day. Navigate to the Other section. This section deals with information relating to special worksite allowances. To input earning information in the Other section, click on the checkbox next to the earning line. Select a payroll component from the drop-down list. Click the Assign Cost Account button and select a cost account from the screen. Once a cost account has been selected, click the Assign Cost Account button. Click the Assign Budget Line button. Once a budget line has been selected, click Assign Budget Line button. Enter a dollar value rather than time value in this section. The system displays the total dollar amount. Navigate to the Attachments subsection and click the Attach Files button and attach any supporting documentation from your computer if necessary. As a reminder, supporting documentation is required for overtime hours. Once selected, click Open. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click the Submit icon. A confirmation message will appear confirming the time card is saved and the status of the document is updated to under review, if workflow is applicable. We have now completed the steps in editing a draft system auto-generated time card. The steps to manually create a time card are the same as a system-generated time card, with the exception of how to search and locate the employee. This part of the video will demonstrate the steps to begin the manual time card process. Ensure you're logged into a project. Click on the Start menu. Navigate to the Time Cards module. Draft hourly time cards is your default view. Click on the View menu. And select the Hourly Employee Profiles view. Use the filter text boxes to search and locate the employee. Scroll to the middle to locate the Actions column. Once you've located the selected employee, click the Create Time Card hyperlink under the Actions column. The draft time card is displayed. Fill in the required fields as outlined in the first part of this video. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click the Submit icon. A confirmation message will appear confirming the time card is saved and the status of the document is updated to under review if workflow is applicable. Now you have a better understanding of how to create a time card in Gate 3. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.